guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to maintain your glueless wigs or how to wash your glueless wigs. What you will need to clean your wig is some sulfate free shampoo, some moisturizing conditioner, a wide tooth comb or a powder brush or a Denman brush, whatever works best for you. We also need warm water and a container is optional. So first, you either want to add the shampoo to your wig or you want to add the shampoo to water if you are using the method that I'm using. And yeah, I just use the hot water from the top. This is not boiling water, this is just tap water. And I added the shampoo in the water and I'm just gonna move like the wig like back and forth, up and down in the water. And I also add shampoo to the closure because there was makeup on it, so I add shampoo on it and just use my fingers and gentle like rub it, not scrub but like rub. So gentle like rub it because the lace is very delicate and you don't want to ruin your lace. So yes, just take your time and just massage the shampoo in. And then I'm also gonna use a powder brush throughout the entire process, because if you don't, then you might get the wig tangled, and we're not doing that, sis. So yeah, I'm just using the powder brush and I'm going to like right through the process, through the conditioning process, the shampoo process, I'm going to just brush the hair through as I go. And I think I did this process for like 3 times. I did it until the water was clear, because why the water is brown is because of the products that was in the hair and also the makeup that was on the lace. I use the makeup, it's a transparent lace, so I use the makeup to blend in the lace better with my skin when I applied it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Please note guys that this wig there is no glue on it. It's glueless. It's glueless, completely glueless. All I do is put it on and go. So yes, just repeat the shampoo process until you know the water is clean, or until you get the desired feel that the wig is clean. And then I'm gonna go in with my shampoo. This is not shampoo, conditioner, sorry. This is the conditioner from Aussie. I also love the Aussie shampoo, but I was out, so yeah, I rather Aussie over the Tresemme, but I was out. So I added this conditioner and then I left it in the container for like 45 minutes. So I rub it in and make sure I get it on all the strands, because it is moisturizing and you need this, especially for curly hair. It is very important. So yeah. And yes guys, as I said, don't forget to brush or comb. Just do this through the entire process, because tangling, we don't want that, sis. We don't want it. This process is super easy guys. You just have to take your time because you don't want to ruin the lace. But that's just about it. That's it, like that's all I do. And then after I rinse out the conditioner, I let the wig sit overnight and air dry, and then the next day I just added mousse. I added a little mousse to it just to define the curl a little bit. So mousse and water, that is all that I added. And in the next clip I'm going to show you guys like what it looked like after it's dried and I went in with the mousse and water and defined the curls. This was a frequently asked question from my customers, so I decided to make a video on it, and I also hope it helped you guys. If you don't know, I make wigs, I sell wigs. My website down below is in the description down below if you're interested. Also guys, this is a wig that I have I did an install on my channel like 11 months ago or a year ago, I think. This is the 6x6 wig that I installed on my channel. So if you scroll down, you will definitely see me installing this wig. So this wig is a year old. I haven't changed the lace yet or nothing. So I maintain my wigs pretty well, and the hair, it lasts at least 2 to 3 years, so it's very good quality from my collection. And yes guys, this is what it looks like when it's dried. And I added the water and the mousse, so I wrap in lotion, setting lotion, whatever you guys want to call it. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you guys what it also looks like on my head. So this is what it looked like before I added my makeup on the lace. The lace is transparent, so it's not yet tinted. I haven't added my makeup. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, later.